Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Royal Gourmet CC1830S Barbecue Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker. The offset smoker is securely attached to the grill to ensure proper heat and smoke circulation. It features a convenient side door for easy access to add charcoal and remove ashes, while the air vent instantly stokes the fire. The grill includes 443 square in. Of porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grates, a 184 square in. Chrome plated warming rack, and a 184 square in. Offset smoker section. With a 2-level height adjustable charcoal pan that can hold up to 4.4 pounds of coal, you have better control over heat distribution. The lid-mounted thermometer gauge allows you to monitor cooking temperatures with confidence. Additionally, front and side tables provide ample workspace for seasonings and grilling tools. The bottom shelf offers extra storage space for accessories up to 20 pounds when evenly distributed. Number 2 in this best smoker grill combo list is Ninja OG 701 Outdoor Electric Grill and Smoker. The Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker, a versatile cooking appliance that offers an authentic outdoor culinary experience. This powerful grill not only excels in grilling and barbecue smoking but also in air frying, all while infusing your food with a genuine smoky flavor. Operating on electricity and utilizing real wood pellets for flavor, the innovative Ninja Woodfire technology enables you to effortlessly achieve rich smoky taste with just a small amount of pellets. With a voltage of 120 volts, this grill delivers the performance of a full-size propane grill, ensuring perfect char and searing every time. Whether you're looking to create barbecue bark or infuse your dishes with smoky goodness, this grill requires only a minimal amount of pellets to achieve exceptional results. Additionally, it comes equipped with 2 blends of premium hardwood Ninja Woodfire pellets that complement various dishes perfectly. Designed for outdoor use year-round, this grill can accommodate various cooking tasks from grilling steaks and hot dogs to air-frying wings or smoking brisket. Our third choice is Royal Gourmet CC1830SC Charcoal Grill Offset Smoker. The Royal Gourmet CC1830SC Charcoal Grill with offset smoker and grill cover is the perfect solution for smoking enthusiasts. With its spacious grilling area and minimal effort required, it offers great value for money. This grill enhances the flavor of your food with its porcelain enameled cooking grates that lock in juices and make meat tender. The chrome-plated warming rack keeps food warm and maintains flavor, while the slide air vent allows you to control airflow easily. The offset smoker ensures consistent grilling, and the adjustable charcoal pan lets you customize your grilling experience. The large steel side table provides space for seasonings, and the integrated S-hooks make it easy to hang grill tools. With durable wheels for easy transport, this grill is a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup. Fourth pick in this best smoker grill combo list is Z-Grill's ZPG 450A Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. The convenience of extended cooking sessions with the spacious 15-pound pellet hopper, ensuring you won't have to constantly refill. The innovative Venturi-style design generates a cyclone of airflow in the burn pot, guaranteeing optimal heat distribution and complete pellet combustion with minimal wastage. Z-Grill's wood pellet technology delivers authentic wood fire flavor comparable to propane or gas setups. Expect approximately 20 hours of cooking time per 20 pounds of pellets. The automated electric feed system maintains temperatures between 180 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent heat levels and smoke production without constant monitoring. Enjoy hassle-free cooking by simply setting it up and letting it do its magic, no more hovering required. Revel in the generous 450 square inches grilling area, supported by a 15-pound hopper capacity, foldable working shelf, heavy-duty all-terrain wheels, rust-resistant cover and racks, as well as a temperature and pellet feed control system for precise adjustments. Our fifth and last choice is Pit Boss PB0820SP Wood Pellet Grill. The ultimate grilling adventure with the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 SP Wood Pellet Grill, designed for those who love the great outdoors. Infuse your dishes with authentic wood-fired flavor using pure hardwood pellets. This versatile grill is ideal for searing fish, grilling game meats, smoking jerky, and more. With its 8-in-1 cooking capabilities and wide temperature range of 180°F to 500°F, you can explore a variety of culinary techniques. The intuitive digital control board lets you monitor meat temperature using Pit Boss meat probes, adjust cooking settings, and manage fuel levels without lifting the lid. The Sportsman 820 SP boasts over 800 square inches of cooking space, a convenient slide plate flame broiler with an accessible handle, a dual-function stainless steel side shelf and tray, and a built-in spice rack for added convenience. Equipped with a built-in thermometer and real-cooked charcoal smoker featuring a unique bottom damper and ash collector for precise temperature control and easy ash disposal.